Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying admin rights and quickly scanning C/Windows. Old for personal files, this prevents accidental loss. Open Settings System Storage or use File Explorer to locate Windows. Old. Once located, make a targeted backup of any documents or app data you need, then close apps that might lock files. Make sure at least 20% free disk space or an external drive is ready, because the cleanup tool and system restore operations need space to complete safely. You'll use disk cleanup to remove Windows. Old reliably. Start disk cleanup as administrator, select the system drive, then click Cleanup System Files. This escalates permissions to delete protected folders. Once the list refreshes, check Previous Windows Installation S. You might also tick Temporary Files and Recycle Bin to reclaim more space. Click OK and confirm. The tool removes files safely and updates recovery information. This method prevents broken permissions and avoids leaving orphan system files behind. After disk cleanup finishes, restart the PC to finalize file system changes and free locked resources. If the folder still exists, open storage settings to remove temporary system files, or run an elevated command prompt and execute rd/s/q c/Windows. Old, this forcibly removes remaining items. Make sure you really backed files first. If you hit access or corruption errors, run chkdsk and sfc/scano to repair disk and system file issues, then repeat the removal steps. That usually resolves stubborn leftovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.